Hi everyone, we hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to our garden channel. We purchased our property a few years ago with the dream to one day be able to grow enough vegetables to sustain our family and save on food costs. We hope that with this channel we can build a beautiful community where we can share tips and encourage each other to grow healthier food for all of us to enjoy. Let's go on a journey together to transform our dead, neglected backyard garden into our dream food forest. We are in Zone 9A in Central Texas. We really appreciate your support. Please like and subscribe and help us grow this channel. In this video, we'll be trimming the limbs off of our tree and using them to create an orange trellis for our cucumbers to climb up. We looked at different trellises and the cost of fencing and wood was about $200 at Home Depot if we built it ourselves. The tree needed to be trimmed down so that it wouldn't damage the neighbor's fence, so I came up with the idea to make it our own trellis since the limbs are still green and they're bendable. I spent about $30 getting the wire and jute along with the wire cutter on Amazon, and I still want to reinforce the arches along the middle in case we get a lot of cucumbers to support the weight. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoy the video, and I hope you have a great day.